Hello guys, welcome to the stream. I'm just trying to set up this so that it's not annoying. There is a download for my hat, Addon, yes. There we go. Alright, now it's working. Yeah, there is a download for an MCPDL. I'll get a link to that. Very cool. I'll grab your link to the add-on. This is it. That is the add-on, and there are currently 31 hats. So I'm just adding a few more. Alright, I have a to-do list. These are all the suggestions that people have given me. So these are all the hats I'm going to be trying to make in this video or stream. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. I'm going to be making more hats for my add-on, as you can probably tell by the stream title. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. Well, it has been a while, it's been only like 2 weeks, but still. That is a while for me. Alright, let's get right into it, I guess. So, we can start with the first one, I guess, or I don't know, I'll just do them in whatever order I want. I'm going to first do either a moving piston, or I guess goggles will be easy. So I'll just change this into like that, because I'm doing... Alright, we're doing goggles. I guess I'll just copy the creeper plushie. Goggles. There you go. Okay, open this with Blockbench. There we are. And in here, this is where the head will be, so I'm just going to make a new cube, sorry, and I'm just going to set this up so I know the shape of the head. Should be -4, -4. Alright, so that's where the head actually is on the player. So I guess I can just like inflate this by like 0.5, like 0.45. I guess that's fine. 0.55. And now I need to make some goggles. I'm gonna look up some Minecraft goggles, because I don't really know what they look like in Minecraft. I guess that, but that's like Dan TDM stuff. Can use George's goggles. I guess I'll probably use George's goggles. So these ones. I'll just make these. I'm gonna get that picture up so I have a reference. There we go. Alright, new texture, template texture. Actually, this should not be a power of 2 size. Template power of 2. There we go. Alright, so now I can paint this. And I'm going to choose north. North is this way. Gonna remove everything. There we go. And now I can actually paint this. So that's a nice size brush. The goggles are here. They're like that shape. This is clearly very exciting content. Probably the most enjoyable content ever. Alright, there we go. That's great. Got to save this now, so that would be in the goggles here. Save it as texture. So now I just need to make an item texture for this, so open with paint.net, I guess. And that one too. Yeah, I do see chat. I'm reading the chat. Yes. So we need to make an item texture for these goggles. I guess just like... Where is the selection box? Why do I not see a selection box? I don't know why I don't see anything happening here. Yes, you're welcome. I'm glad you found that useful. Had my skin T-posing. I mean, I guess, but like drawing the item for that is going to be pretty hard. I don't know, we'll see. I have a feeling this item texture is going to be really small. Probably going to be pretty hard to see, but I don't know. My dog is barking. Alright. We have goggles done now. I guess I can run this. And we should see hat underscore goggles. There. Looks like it's been generated. We can press enter, open up the world, and it should be here. Yes, everyone says my keyboard is very loud. My dog is also very loud. Alright. Once this decides to load, there we go. There should now be some goggles. Here they are. Wow, they look great. Lovely. Hello, nope. Alright, That is one item down out of these like 22 or something. Next one. I'm not really sure how to make attachables visible in first person. That requires a lot more effort. It's quite tough to do. I guess I can make a moving piston. We'll just call this piston. Where are the goggles? There. Piston, there we go. Alright, and this is going to be this. Okay, so this is the normal Minecraft head size. So I'm going to add a piston group. Copy that, put that in there. Alright, and I guess this should be like a little bit smaller. One, two. Okay, that's going to be the size of the piston. So that's going to be the total height of the piston, so I'm going to duplicate that, put it over there, so I have a reference. And then I'm going to shrink this down by 1, because this bit's going to move up and down. And this bit is in the middle of it, right there. Okay, piston, add a group, piston top, and these two bones, those two cubes have to be in there. Cursed piston, yes. Does this look wrong? Is that better? But like obviously centered. Nah, that's way too thin. How about that? That's probably fine. Send me your skin, and I will do that. Yes, hello. Okay, so piston's going to come all the way up to here. What do you mean piston stem is not straight? Oh yeah, it's not, is it? It's like... like that, or something. Hello, welcome to the stream. Alright, yeah, that's what this piston part actually looks like. Alright, so that's going to be the animation. I have to check how I actually do animations with this, because I've forgotten. It would probably be in spinning TNT. So it's just animation.json, and in here is just the looping thing. I do believe that's it. Loop. Yes, so animate. I'm going to close this one. Animate, create an animation, follow up loop, confirm. Alright, and piston top needs to track position. Hello, welcome to the stream. Thank you. I appreciate it. I guess I can do variable anim. That should make it just go up. So math.sine should really make it pulse. So that's the kind of motion we want. And a 0.5. Multiplied by alright, it's lowest here, so multiplied by 3 seems to work. But it goes up too high. Hang on, so query.atom time is a value. This should always be between 0 and 1. Or it should be between -1 and 0 now. Can I please answer? What is the question? You're trying to make an entity, but the texture, models, and animation is not showing. That is probably due to the render controller. That's an inappropriate question. Stop making weird jokes. Alright, that's about as good as I'm gonna get it. Yes, it would be quite painful to do. Alright, I'm pretty sure there's like an iron edge around this. Well, I don't know if I have enough room to actually make an iron edge. might just leave it as wooden. Or they're like iron bits. Guess I can do that. Yes, this is a piston. It's a very bad piston, but still a piston. Are there iron bits in the corners? Oh, well, there are iron bits in the corners as well, but like, I feel like that would just be too much. I'll test it out and see what it looks like, but I'm pretty sure it would just make it overcrowded. Hello, DJ Crazy. Alright, let's test out these iron bits in the corners. Yeah, it just looks like too much stuff. Because it's just... I don't know, does that look good or does that look bad? My dog is barking again. She is clearly a very cool dog. I thought I told her to be quiet because I'm streaming. Clearly she didn't understand. Alright. This texture is almost done. Okay. That should be good enough. Yeah, that should be fine. Alright, there's the piston. And that is now the animation. I can make it slower, I guess. 200. And now I can just save this. I guess I can just do Control S. Save it as piston somewhere. I don't know where it is. There it is. It should be text.png. That's loud. And it should be animation.json. There we go. I can close that. And if we open up the piston one, we should have the animation and texture. And now if I run this, it should be done. can close those because I don't need them. I do need a piston item texture though, so this texture can probably just be something like just this, and then the top of the piston now. There we go. What a lovely texture. Okay. Now that that is done, recompile them and open up the game. We should see that. How do you use the free version of Machine Builder? You mean my feature generator or what? Can I add music? I guess I can. But what music is copyright free? Oh, that's very cool. Null animation for animation 0 of loop controller. Does the other thing work? Spinning TNT. That one works apparently. I've got to figure out why that's happening. Shouldn't be too hard. Probably just type something wrong. So spinning TNT, I'm going to open that in the window. Hello ambient. Alright, let's find some background music. Also, they should be the same. Why am I getting an error for that? Wait, I'm gonna find some background music. YouTube live streaming background music. It's a YouTube channel on this. Chill music. We can see what this is like. That's not music. That is just painful to my ears. Alright. Hats. Detachables, hats. Let's find the piston. Try to figure out why I have that error. Here it is. Loop controller. Underscore piston dot loop. That should be an animation. It is. Why am I getting an error then? Null animation for animation 0 state loop of loop controller. What? Okay, why is this happening? Null animation. It's not null animation. This is very confusing. They are both valid animations. Loop was capitalized. Was it? No, it wasn't. This is very weird. Controller.animation.loop. Initial state loop, states, loop animations. I honestly am clueless. Because the fact that it worked for the other ones, like running this file generates the same code, both of them. So piston and spinning TNT should have the exact same code, apart from the identifiers. So they should also have the same animation controls and stuff. But apparently they don't. Spinning TNT. See, they're the exact same. I don't see any difference. I'm just going to ignore this. Very weird. Yeah, see, what is this? Null animation. I'm just going to screenshot this and put it in the Bedrock Addon server and then continue on with the other stuff. Alright. Will I ever make a tutorial on how to make custom mobs? I don't know, will I? Custom mobs is a very wide topic. Like, there's so much that you can do with them. So it's not really one thing. It is currently 10:50 a.m. So it's almost midday where I am. This error is so confusing to me. But I want to fix it, but I also don't want to fix it. I want to get on with the rest. What day is it for you? It is Sunday. Because I am Australian. And we get days early. One day ahead of most people. Seriously don't understand why I'm getting this error. Yes, I am in the future and upside down. There are flying cars. Definitely. I'll just temporarily remove the animation so that we don't have to deal with the annoying error message. So, for now, until I realize some very silly mistake that I probably made, it's not animated. So I guess it's fine. Doesn't matter that much. So I don't understand why this one works but the other one doesn't. This is fine. Alright. We should get on to the next one. I guess I'll do mini crewmate. And I won't be able to do this one yet until I figure out why the animations aren't working. So I'll do mini crewmate and blaze, I guess. But I want an animated blaze. So I'll save that for later. I'll just do these ones after that. Just some static ones. I guess I'll just like copy random and push or something. Mini crewmate. Alright, so on top of the head, we need a little mini crewmate. Will this be on my channel? Yes, this will be on my channel. I'm going to leave it up. I don't delete live streams after I do them. I just leave them up for people to watch later. Alright, let's make this little mini crewmate dude. I'm probably going to make a red one. Just because that's generic. And they're basically like bean shaped. Leg one. And the leg should have a cube. How long are mini crewmate's legs? That's probably too long. And the pivot point for this should be up here. Guess it can be there. Duplicate that, move the leg across. And this one can be rotated for 25 degrees and minus 25 degrees. That's a little bit weird, so I'll move that out by like a few bits. I don't really know how far that is. That looks fine. This is fine. It's very not fine, but still. I guess the whole thing can be moved forwards by a little bit, so I can make way for this backpack. And then we need a little glass bit on the front. That should be alright. I think that looks fine. So now I'm going to paint it, create a new texture template, and disable power of 2 size, and also disable box UV. And this is going to be a red. That red, I guess. And we need like the Among Us kind of shading stuff. That's probably fine. Like that. Alright. It's probably very boring with me just like not talking for ages. But that's fine. Hopefully. Oh, my dog has come back to barking again. Alright, that should be fine. That's a crewmate, basically. And that bit looks a bit weird. That looks a bit better. Yes, it is mouth clicking ASMR. Also, quick reminder, drink water, otherwise you will die a painful death. Always good to drink water. Okay, now I can save this because I think it's done. Wherever my mini crewmate is. Here it is. Save that, close that. Now I need to make an item texture for this. I've only been streaming for 40 minutes and I'm already so tired. Okay, this should be fine. That's basically like the bean shape, and then we just need to grab this color. Wait, the dark bit should be on the right. I don't know, what does an Among Us character even look like as a bean? That's like pixels. I guess it just needs legs. Yes, that's so much better. And by so much better, I mean so much weirder. And definitely not at all terrifying. Okay. That's fine. This is totally fine. Not at all a failure. Now if I just run this again, we should have another hat. And we do over here. It's a little bit weird, but it's fine. And I need more of this stuff. Need more layers. So that's positive direction. And that's positive direction. Alright. Just gonna clone this. / clone. From that block. Up to this block. Up to my current position. Okay, now we have more space to work with. Now I just have to get rid of these though. What is everyone doing currently? Well, better question, how is everyone finding school? Alright. Now I have more armor stands. It's going to be tough to take a big picture of this containing all the hats. Can't really capture it all. Anyway, next one I'll be making. I guess the next one I can make is like, I don't know, I don't really want to do a sprout because I already have a pot plant. So I might just remove that. I might remove this because I don't know how the copyright stuff works. And I don't want anyone to complain that I did something wrong, so I won't do that. Animations are annoying, so not doing that. Animations are annoying, so not doing that. Animations are annoying, so I'm not doing those. Or that one. I guess the next one I can do is like a dropper or something. Hey, someone just joined my Discord server. Very cool. Okay. We have these, and I guess I can do a normal size Steve standing up. That's a little bit weird, because it's so huge. Wouldn't even fit in the display case. Why are there people talking? Okay, I guess I'll just do like dropper, dispenser, observer, and node block. I'll do the node block first. So that's that. More hats. I'm just going to copy the grass block one. Or I'll copy this. Node block. Texture should just be a note block. Model can stay the same. I'm just going to find the note block texture from the vanilla behavior pack or resource pack. Textures, blocks, note block. Copy that. Rename this to texture. Open this up with paint.net and this one too. Copy that, put it there. And then we can just move these in one by one. There we go. I guess this really should just be notebook. Compile, run it, open this up. There we go, we have a note block that we can wear on our head now. I don't know why, but apparently we can. Very cool. Guess next one we need is dropper, dispenser, and something else. Observer. I'll do a dispenser first because that's the first one in order. So I'll copy the note block. Dispenser. Hang on, I'm actually going to copy the creeper plushie, or the end of the plushie. And this will be a dispenser. Is it dispenser? Yeah. Or check spelling. Dispenser. Open the model with blockbench. Delete this. New cube. Put it under the head. It should be 8 by 8 by 8, or really 16 by 16 by 16. Hello, Sour Spark. Welcome to the stream where I am being bored. Dying a painful death. -8 and -8, and the inflation should be -4. But really, it should be like -3. I don't know, how big is this? What's the inflation on this one? The inflation is -3.01. -3.01. Now create a texture, template, turn off power to size. Front texture is blue. Side textures should all be red. And bottom texture should be green. Now I have less textures to deal with, which is always better. Okay. There we go. Now we have this shape, which I deleted a wrong face, which is fine. I'm gonna click that, put that face up there. Top texture is the top one. Now I can save this as texture.png in dispenser. And now I have to find dispenser textures. I guess I can put this somewhere here. Need to figure out where the side textures actually are. Textures, or I guess will be in blocks. Dispenser. So these are dispenser underscore side and dispenser underscore top. So I guess that would just be defining terrain textures. Dispenser is actually the same texture as furnace. Ah yes, the custom armor tutorial teaches you how to make hats and stuff as well. Alright, so the rest of dispenser texture are actually just furnaces. So furnace, copy all those, and now I can merge them all into one big texture monstrosity. Don't need either of those. Okay, the front texture is blue, so I'm going to grab the front texture and paste it here. Side texture is red, that can go there. And both up and down textures are the same for this, so I'll just do this. And if I save this and open up this, it's all correct. Very cool. Now all I need to do is make the item texture, so that shouldn't be too hard. Paint.net, just grab that, paste that there, and it should be a matter of just moving all these in. Just can grab both of those. So now there should be a dispenser hat that you can wear. Reload. Dispenser. Very cool. I don't really know why you'd want to wear this, but like you can, so that's another thing to tick off the list. And I'm pretty sure all zombies and skeletons have a chance to spawn with them as well. Time set midnight. Will be hard. I think it's like a 5% chance to spawn with any hat. Yeah. Looks like it roughly. There's mini crewmate. And there's a piston there. There's a creeper. And one of them is wearing a VR headset over here. Okay. Cool. Difficulty peaceful, time set day. Next hats we have to make are these ones. Observer and dropper. Do the dropper first. It's basically a dispenser. So I just copy dispenser. Call it dropper. Take that. Open with paint.net. Open with paint.net. And also this one. And there we go, that was very easy. They will always drop the hat. Because otherwise there's a chance they won't drop the hat. And I want, so like if you see a zombie with like a creeper hat and you want the creeper hat, all you have to do is kill the zombie for it. I can show you that in action if you want. So if we have like, I don't know, see if I can find one. I'll spawn one in then. Alright, so say we want this dropper head. Should just be a matter of killing it to get the head, yeah. This little hat. Yeah, it's 100% chance. Hey, the other one picked it up, put it on. Do they all do that? Or not? Well, yeah, you can see. You get the idea. Okay. Next one to make is an observer. Which shouldn't be too bad because again all the textures are here, so it should just be observers. Okay, texture, open with paint.net, open with paint.net, open with paint.net. This is very exciting. Actually, I don't want a lit one. There we go, delete that, and open this with paint.net as well. Who would have thought? Alright, the back texture for this, I don't actually have a back texture. So I need to make one. That will be the back. That will be the top and bottom. And that will be the side. And then this would be the front. There we go, so now I can save this. Also take this and make the item texture. By just doing this thing. Lazy method of making item textures. Quick and easy. Okay, that's that done. Now I can delete all these and open this up with Blockbench to remap my textures. Import texture, hats, observer, which is somewhere. There it is. What do I use to do what? The texture editing or what? I use Paint.net. So this Paint.net. And this thing should probably be rotated that way. Because it was backwards on the model before, so there we are. So if we rerun this, open up the world, we should have a new hat. And now if we grab this out, we have our observer and our dropper. But yes, the observer is the new one, and the arrow should be facing the correct direction. Yeah. Cool. There should also be a back texture, which I need to add. Dropper, observer. Okay, I'll add in that back texture that I forgot. That's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. That's observer model. Why am I so bad at finding this? Okay. Open up the texture, and this should be the back. There we go. Now the textures are mapped correctly. Now I have all of those done. Next one I can do is, don't really want to do that one or that one because that one's too big. I'll do a halo, I guess. Although I don't know what an item texture would look like for a halo, so that's going to be fun when we get there. Halo, and we're going to open this up. And inflation to -4, because that's the normal size of the head. Put this halo. Alright, and now here. So I can do something like this. And just paint it. So create texture, template. Not that. And now paint, erase these faces, top and bottom. And then I can just make this like gold or something, I don't know. That's not gold. And really, I guess they can all be the same face, since it doesn't particularly matter. So paint, and now I can just paint them all at once. That should be fine. Looks really bad, but that'll be fine. Because really all it's doing is just sitting on your head, so. Yep. File, export. I'm just going to save this actually. Save it as hats, halo, texture. And I can close that now. And open both those with paint.net. And this one I don't need any of these bits because they're not part of the texture. I have a lot of transparency in there, but who cares? Okay, what would a halo look like as an item? Okay, it's probably really weird, but like, should be fine. Hopefully it will end up fine. And then this should just be, move that down. I'm basically trying to make this look circular. Probably not going too well with that. But now, if I just put these over each other, that's very strange, but that's fine. It almost looks like it if you squint. If you close your eyes, it looks like a halo. If you close your eyes and imagine a picture of a halo. Actually, it doesn't look that bad in the inventory and hand and stuff. Looks weird like that, but that's fine. Looks like it's just something on your head. I think it looks fine. Hardly noticeable. Very cool. I know you know my name, but still. Yes, hello Dom. I clearly am very cool, aren't I? I will not leave you. Not again. Rightio. This needs to be like a miner's helmet or something. Like a headlamp. I guess what we can do is, I have an idea. This could look cool, or it might look weird. I don't know. We'll see. That's the basic shape of the helmet, and then we need a rim around the bottom. I guess that looks like a miner's helmet, kind of. It's very big though. Should be fine. Paint, and now we have to texture paint this, so I guess we'll just do like a ski mask. Alright. I can do that. Probably should delete this cube before I did the rest. And the grey bit should be like a... Can I make a beanie? I can make a beanie. The better question is, will I make a beanie? Probably will, considering the fact that you asked for one. Okay, and this needs to be like a light, so some desaturated yellow. I guess that's fine. And then this just needs more texture in it, so this, that's way too dark. That's not dark enough. That's fine. Alright, I guess that's a fine shape. I am missing a pixel here though. How did I manage to do that? Okay. Mine hat. Texture, save. That should be fine. Now I can close that, open this up with paint.net. I don't know why I have a random pixel of red there. Probably not important. Or maybe it was important, I don't know. Anyway, it's gone now. And its miner's hat is going to look like this. So I'll grab that. And that is the rim of the hat, so So I'll know what shape it has to be. I guess this can be the front, or like this whole area. And then I'll grab the light texture and chuck that on the front. Okay, that's good. That was actually surprisingly easy. So now if I run this again, we should have a new hat in the game. Hopefully. So if I grab out this mine hat, oops, put that on the wrong one, there it is. Ah, very cool. I made it rotated because I didn't check which way was north. That's quick and easy to fix though, so it's fine. Yeah, I was gonna make the mine hat have dynamic lighting, but that's like a lot of extra stuff that I don't really want to add in. Because it requires like player animation stuff, and I don't want to overwrite any vanilla files. Because I want this to be compatible with a lot of stuff, so. Like obviously it needs to be able to like be played with a lot of other add-ons. Why is it not rotated? Didn't I just fix that? Oh, I didn't rerun the file. But yeah, dynamic lighting would be cool, but it would also mean the add-on would not be compatible with other add-ons, or at least with some other add-ons. Okay, now it's facing forward, which is very cool. Next thing is a ski mask, and then a beanie. I don't really know how I'm gonna make a ski mask look good. I think it's probably just gonna look weird. I'll try to find some inspiration for it. Minecraft. I guess look at that. Yeah, we'll do the dark one. Do this one. It's probably the most boring stream we've ever seen. How is this not boring? I'm basically doing nothing. Oh yes, the keyboard ASMR. To be honest, that's probably fine as a ski mask. And then all I have to do is add noise to it afterwards. So that's fine. I'm going to overwrite this. Save it as ski mask. Texture. Okay, and now I need to make an item texture for this. Open with paint.net, open with paint.net. And I'm just going to add some noise to this because it's very boring. Now I'm going to copy this texture and delete this texture. And make that the item texture and fix this color situation. Black wool texture for this ski mask would look good. I guess it would. You can try that actually. Open with paint.net. Make a redstone monstrosity head from Minecraft Dungeons. I would do that, except I don't know anything from Minecraft Dungeons. Can't speak. So I don't really want people complaining that it's not like accurate or whatever. Because there's always going to be someone who's just, I don't know. That looks really weird. I guess I can make those too. So it's very funny. I can imagine like a realm server and everyone has their own hats and stuff. Pretty cool. I guess this is almost a beanie. I should probably still make a beanie though. I don't really know how to make a beanie though in like Minecraft style. Minecraft beanie. And just look it up. Never mind, that's all merch. It's like all creeper beanies and stuff. That's what I was looking for. Alright. I guess we need the villager goggles. I'll do that. Shouldn't be too hard, because I can just steal it from the villager texture. It's a profession, isn't it? I think it's the armorer, because they use the same texture. We'll just copy this. I'll see what this texture looks like. Yeah, this is it. That has that little headpiece. Gonna save this as a PNG. Open this with Blockbench. Okay, delete that. Yeah, there are a lot of villager faceware things, but there's already an add-on that has villager helmets and like villager cosmetic stuff, so I don't want to take what they've made. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why is this so small? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where would the player even wear this? Because villagers have a lot more room on their head. Because they have huge foreheads. I guess that's fine. A little bit weird, but it should be fine. Save that, close that, open this up, paint.nav. I'll just make this the item texture or something. Compile and open this up. And it is somewhere, there it is. Looks very strange, but that's fine. It looks way too loose. Because the inflation is too big, so I'll just shrink it down a little bit. Inflation to 0.5. So now it should be much better. Yeah. Okay, that's better. Actually, looks like it fits on my head. Alright. I feel like I'm probably just going to end the stream here. Because I am dying inside from doing this. I don't know why. And I really should be doing more schoolwork. But I don't know. I'll upload this to MCPTL. I'll release an update. Oh, I guess I can do that now. I'll do that during stream so that I actually remember to do it instead of just putting it off. Is this a good place to screenshot? Probably. TP at P here. Should be 101. 101. Facing 0, 0. X90. That's a good angle. Now I can screenshot it. Okay. And now I have this. Which is all the hats. So I'm going to save that. Save and quit. Open up this. Copy this resource pack. Put it into documents. MCB add-ons. More hats. Put that there. Okay, and here we don't need that file or that folder. What's the pack icon? It's that ugly thing. Okay, that's fine. Resource pack, we don't need. Actually, we need all those are fine. Animations, we don't need the piston, because that one didn't even end up making that. So this is a MC pack, I think. If I try to import this, it'll say import failed because there's a duplicate pack. Cool. How many frames per second am I getting? 600. Very cool. And this one should be a resource pack, but also an MC pack. So here, .mc pack, and both these can be compiled into one MC add-on. MC add-on. Why does that thing look really smooth? It looks like it's moving so smooth. Okay, cool. So that imports both. Now I can go to mcpdel.com. Submission. My submissions, and how do I update something? Update. So that was the first one. I can remove the image, insert an image, choose file, and find this folder again. Documents. Wherever my add-ons have gone, there they are. Alright, that's this screenshot. Added. Actually have a list of all the hats here, so I'm gonna write all these hats that I've added. Any Yes, I get 600 FPS. Clearly just very cool. Added Halo hat. It's because I disabled VSync in the options file. Added goggles. How do you spell George? I'm struggling. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pretty sure that's how many I added. I can count in game. I probably should count just to verify that I didn't miss any. 1, 2. I did, that's 11. Because it ends before 2 and each row is 11. Alright, we're good. I did not mess up. That picture is updated. And I'm going to also put a link to the stream. Bold. That should also be bold. There we go. Now I have that and that. Minecraft versions. All of them, I think. Pretty sure it should just work. Not 1.15 though. And it now adds 42. It's 31 plus 11, I don't know why I had to verify that, equals 42. Cool. Hello Hero Studios. Welcome to the stream. I'm actually just about to end it though, so I don't know. Also, what is the percentage chance that I made zombies spawn with hats? Entities. Zombie. It's in the equipment file right here. Loot tables, entities, random hat form, skeleton gear. Okay. In here. 0.1. Yeah, that's 10%. Okay, we're good. Didn't mess that up either. And that's 42. Cool. Upload files. This should be that. Yes, my fashion hats are very cool. Okay, so really that should just be both of those. Save. Yes, there will. Very fashionable indeed. Okay, it has been submitted. So now we wait, I guess. So it'll be out in like 1 or 2 days, because 24, 48 hours. So I guess it's just a waiting game now. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this live stream. Wait, let me actually go into Minecraft to exit the live stream so it's cool. Oops. Okay. Anyway. I hope you all enjoyed the stream. Hope you enjoyed watching me do boring things that no one really cares about or wants to see. If you did, I am glad. If you didn't, then I am not glad. And you can tell me what I can do better next time. Yeah, as you've probably noticed, there is a lack of uploading on my channel because school is back. So I should probably be doing more school stuff. So it's gonna either be like streaming once a week or possibly not even that if I don't have time for that. So we'll see how it goes. Will I update the industrial craft add-on? I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't know. I know people want it changed, but yes, it's possible to do that. That's what I did for this hat add-on. I have a Python program to generate the attachable files and stuff, so yeah. Anyway, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video or stream, depending on what comes first. So, goodbye, everybody.